Alright, baby lovers, welcome to Bibi's kitchen. My name is Bibiana, and today's episode we are making Ofada sauce. Yes, so I already have my oil on the fire because I'm actually shooting this video in the night. We are going to bleach it out, so I don't want the smell to get around the whole house. So I'm going to be pretty fast, and that is why I'm having it covered. Normally it's supposed to be open, but because I don't want the smell to go everywhere in my house, so I'm having it covered so I can take it outside. Yeah. Let me take you through our ingredients table. On our ingredients table today, we have our blended pepper. This is a mixture of green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. We have our smoked fish. We have our local beans. Then this is our meat stock. We have our crayfish and seasoning. We have our boiled egg. We have our protein, which is cow meat, assorted shaki, and all that. Then we have our onions. Okay, so this is what we are going to be using today, and we are going to be serving this with plantain and rice. Our rice is already boiled and cooked. You have to be patient with it, right? And if you don't want your whole house to smell, get a pot with a lid. When you pour your oil and it's bleaching, you have to cover it, and then you can take it outside to the balcony or somewhere else so that it can evaporate the smell out. If not, your whole house will be smelling of it. But you can still open your windows to disappear, or on your extractor, for those of you with extractor. Okay, now this can be I check the captions for the names of all the recipes and the ingredients. The thorough mix, like to simmer for the time. Okay. So if you're adding egg to yours, you have to add the egg now so that you can absorb all the flavors. With your seasoning, using crayfish Maggi, and then you can go into the fish. If you are using your prawns, your dry prawns, this will be your best time. So I don't want the water. I'm giving it a good mix. And now, okay, if you are using diced pomo, this would be the good one too. Really? And that is one that, but I'm not using pomo, so I'm just going to go in with my smoked fish. Right? Now, give it a mix. Remember, whenever you are stirring your food, give it a lot of love. On the food we go over university. Now, the food is ready. This is our Ofada sauce. Let's go. Sweets. Let it boil. Let it boil first. Start with our rice.